next video. So this is your lanay door. As you see, this one, they will put a slab there that will connect up to that one. So from this area, you will have a slab connection of your terrace. Okay, so that one. And on this part, for our garage, some for your garage too. And this is the tiles that is being put. You'll have a PVC, polycarbonate roofing, and then we will put the polycarbonate using those ones, so that zipper links, ibabaon siya sa slab na ilalagay natin dito. So maghahang yung zipper links going to this part naman ang papatungan natin ng polycarbonate. So hindi na tayo maglalagay ng poste. Okay? So this is the ground floor. No changes. The backal for our house is here, and some of that will go to this big one. Where's the big one? We bought 3 big backal. This one that will be put in your slab, and then this 9mm will be put in the concrete fence, sa beam. And this one, this is ours for our garage. Some for your garage too. And this is the tiles that is being put. Ground floor, look. It's not yet done. Look, this is your ground floor CR. That's the window. Okay, that's the window. So down, blocking pa off 1 tile sa baba. Kasi bale 3 green tiles yan. And then the border. And then white tiles up to the ceiling. So look. Okay. So that's the ground floor CR. Okay, this is your ground floor. No changes at all. Only the walls are painted white. First coating. After putting the first coating, they will put masila na. Okay. That's the ground floor. That's the breaker. Okay. They have what's this? Nagiba na yung kanilang barracks. Ang natitira na lang yung room na ginagamit ni Mario, this one. Okay, because they are preparing that one for the concrete fence, kasi ayaw natin gamitin yung fence ng kapitbahay, so we will make our own. There. Palibot yan. Palibot. So as you can see, Ronel, lika, turo mo nga yung yung wire. Ito ba yung orange na yon? Yan ba yung wire na
yung break ng heater.
So that's the rewiring of the eight additional wire. That is, we bought one box, diba? Oh, that is the number 8 wire. Look on top. Going to the master CR yan. That is the additional wire. Okay. So here's the breaker. Wala pang masyadong changes dito sa baba.
Yan, ganyan yan. Yan, ganyan yan. Ganyan yan. Para eskwala siya.
So, saan na?